Hello everyone, I am Walt here with another one of our 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself principles. Here is one of my famous walk and talks as we were talking about principle 88 here. And our 88th principle is pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, it's not very long, and this one is to feel your feelings. And the idea here is that we should actually listen to our thoughts instead of just like ignoring them or pushing them aside or saying, how could I think that? Actually listen to what your subconscious mind is saying to you. Because in many cases, you're going to have your subconscious mind talk to you, give you some information based on how you're feeling, okay? So listen into some of this stuff. Also notice though, through the practice of say meditation, for example, you can dismiss a lot of your thoughts with time. The negative, fearful thoughts that will come to you from the subconscious, you can learn to dismiss those and instead just let in the loving and useful ones. Now, he also says at the end of this one that it's important to talk, it's important to take action, kind of stuff. But really, I'd say this one's just about learning to see your own thoughts, realize they are there, and they're a valuable insight into the condition of your subconscious mind. So first off, if you meet your most basic needs, so having enough food, having enough sleep, that kind of stuff, so you're not under a lot of stress, then you can kind of get some insight into your mind of what you're naturally thinking on a day-to-day basis, of whether you're very happy or not. And that can give you a good lens into what you need to do to be able to change your life. Anyway, that's about it for part 88. I will see you guys next time with part 89. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.